I'm Paul Haydett. Improvisation is at the heart of both jazz and great TBL facilitation. I quote from Herbie Hancock's autobiography, "We all have a natural human tendency to take the safe route, to do the thing we know will work, rather than taking a chance. But that's the antithesis of jazz, which is all about being in the present. Jazz is about being in the moment at every moment. It's about trusting yourself to respond on the fly. If you can allow yourself to do that, you never stop exploring, you never stop learning, in music or in life."
Hi, I'm Richard Plunkett. Charles Mingus, the great civil rights activist, composer, and bass player, said a lot of things, but my favorite quote is this one. "Go where you can go, but start from someplace recognizable. Making the simple complicated is commonplace. Making the complicated simple, awesomely simple, that's creativity."
Hi everyone, I'm Chris Burns. Right now I'm doing some research for our upcoming workshop listening to John Coltrane playing saxophone on Giant Steps. He wrote this in 1959, and as you've heard, it's been recorded by many other musicians since then, each bringing their own unique spin to the tune. Coltrane said, "Don't ever get so big or important that you cannot hear and listen to every other person." I agree. When TBL is facilitated well, everyone should feel they were part of the conversation. Paul, Richard, and I hope you'll consider joining us at the TBLC conference for our session, Jazz and TBL, a workshop in improvisational skills for facilitating great sessions. It would be awesome to add your voice to our workshop.